How to download and install the Libertex app. First of all, unlock your phone and open Play Store from your home screen or app drawer. Once the Play Store opens, look at the bottom right corner and tap on the Source button. In the search bar at the top, type Libertex and wait for the results to load. From the search result, find the official Libertex app developed by Libertex International Company and make sure you are selecting the correct app by checking the developer name. Next, tap on the app to open its details page. Then press the install button. The app will start downloading automatically, and this may take a few moments depending on your internet speed. During this time, keep your connection stable and avoid closing the Play Store. After the installation is complete, you will see an open button on the screen. Tap on it to launch the Libertex app for the first time. Now you know how to download and install the Libertex app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more trading tips.